I've been in the space of freelancing since 2019, serving clients from USA, UK, Canada and Australia. And today in this detailed video, I would like to give an action plan even if you are an existing freelancer or if you are planning to become one. This video will be the best for you. Get your notepad and a pen and write down everything that we discuss in this video. Without any further ado, let's get started. As a beginner, gaining clarity in your niche is the first step you could begin with. To be more precise, I would define niche as a specific market or segment that you would like to offer your services in. Now, there's a huge difference between a category and a niche. For example, helping with social media marketing or social media strategy is a category. However, niche could be helping health coaches with organic YouTube marketing strategy. In short, it is a part of a bigger category or a bigger umbrella that has specific audience driven towards it. To begin with freelancing, carving out your niche is super crucial. However, if you just focus on carving out your niche, it leads to analysis paralysis, confusion, and more likely imposter syndrome as well. So I would highly suggest you to get started with a broader category, and eventually as you spend enough time in it, you would understand what is more good for you and what do you more inclined towards, and that's how you pivot while niching down much more. Now, once you decide what your niche is or what your category that you would like to step into, you will have to go back to the drawing board and jot down what services would you like to offer. Before you even think about what services you would like to offer, first you need to understand what you are aware of or what skills do you have and what skills you lack. Having the clarity of what you know and what you don't know brings a great amount of clarity when you are offering your services, and it also provides more room for your improvement. Here, our focus would be taking advantage of the skills that we know rather than sitting and crying over the skills that we do not have. This is the time when you decide that, okay, these are the list of the services I would like to offer because these are the skills that I have. So let's say, for example, if you tell Sarvani, okay, I have no clue, but I do have interest towards video editing, for example, but I do not know how to edit. So you'll have to go ahead and keep upskilling while signing clients. That is the process that you are going to go ahead with, because if you would like to learn everything at once, and that's when you will start to provide services that will take forever. The reason why it takes forever is because everything keeps evolving, and as it keeps evolving, we'll have to upgrade ourselves. So it's a never ending cycle. When you think that, okay, I'll have to be perfect in something until I provide services to my clients, that is not going to happen, and that's impossible. The next step would be asking yourself if you have any previous experience, meaning have you worked with any family businesses before, or have you worked with any of your friends or colleagues or team members or any of the presence that you've worked before. Let's say you are a graphic designer. Maybe you have designed a couple of logos for a couple of your friends' businesses. That is part of your portfolio. But let's say if you do not have any experience, what are you supposed to do? If you've got experience, this will be part of your portfolio, and that's a great option for you. However, if you do not have any experience, I've got another option for you. Let's say you are an absolute beginner, and let's also consider the same graphic designer example. What you can do is maybe you can recreate a couple of logos of existing bigger brands, and you can show your skills in recreating these logos. These will be some of the great examples for your creativity, for your imagination, for the skills that you have, and this is the kind of work that you're going to showcase to your clients and say, look, this is the potential that I've got. Have you got any work? One of the best examples, one of the best real-time examples I can give is my own YouTube channel. Before even I started working with my clients, I never worked with any of the clients before. However, this particular YouTube channel was my real-time example. As I was creating content, as I was increasing my subscribers and improving my analytics, this channel has become an example of my work to my clients. So I used to show them, okay, these are the strategies that I am using in order to improve my subscriber rate. rate, in order to improve my click-through rate, and in order to improve all the results on this channel. And that's how I was able to grow to 30k in just a year. So this was the channel, this was the working channel for me, and this was also part of my portfolio. This is the channel that I would show to my clients and tell them, this is what I do, this is how I do, and these are the same results that I can replicate for you as well. Let's say, for example, if you haven't got any of these previous work experience, or you do not have any of your current portfolio as well, this is what I would like you guys to do. Go ahead to Facebook groups, go ahead to LinkedIn, go ahead to Instagram, and you can get in touch with business owners, online business owners, and let them know that these are my services, these are the services that I would like to offer. Are you interested? And I would like to offer these services at a lower rate or for free of cost in return to a video testimonial. The reason why I am very specific about a video testimonial here is you are working with that particular client for free of cost only because you will be able to gain the social proof, experience and testimonial, so that you can showcase these to the next prospect that you have, and you're going to start earning money from the next prospect. However, if you are working for free with the clients, make sure you do not go overboard in terms of collecting testimonials and all of that. Please go maximum 3 free clients and nothing more than that. I personally have done 2 free clients, and after that, from the 3rd client, I started charging lower rate, and with every client I pitched upon and I secured the deal, I increased my prices, and that's how I've generated the results as well. Now, after you create your portfolio, after you've started working with clients, you might ask me, Sarvani, how do I get these clients on regular basis? What is my lead generation strategy? What could be my lead generation strategy? That's where content marketing comes into the picture, and that's where I am going to discuss about which platform to choose to market your services, or to even provide awareness to all of your audience, because there are lots of myths and lot of misconceptions in certain industry, let's say YouTube industry, let's say Instagram industry, right? So make sure you're waiting for the next week's video, or probably the next video in this series, because my next video would be all about bursting all the myths in the freelancing industry. If you like this video, please hit like, comment and subscribe, and please wait for my next week's video. Bye.